The company's slogan, "The world becomes cleaner with us," is not just words for us but also a credo. We have been working for the benefit of ecology and soil cleanliness since 2005. This year, we became official representatives and importers of Topas biological wastewater treatment plants, Czech Republic, in Ukraine. Since 2006, we have begun our own production and continue to work integrating new cleaning methods based on global trends and innovations. We work with the best, and we ourselves meet this high criterion. The most important principles of our work are quality, strict quality control at every stage of production. In stations and various plastic construction, we use only high-quality materials and components, certified, tested by time and practice. Innovation. We improve our station and production constantly. We introduce new technologies, improve process, and choose the best components that will increase the efficiency of work. Safety. The use of environmental clean raw materials and reliable automation allow producing products that meet the highest safety standards. Stations of biological wastewater treatment plants, Topas Automatic, are the latest development presented on the markets of Ukraine, the European Union, and the CIS. Autonomous Savage Topas Automatic is designed for treatments of households' wastewater from individual sources of pollution like private houses, factories, campsites, sanatoriums, rest houses, hotels, restaurants, gas stations, cafes, summer cottages, and so on. During the construction of station, we use many years of experience in the field of wastewater treatment. For the manufacture of the station corpus, we use panel team polypropylene construction panels, Belgian production, which guarantee a long product life. Topas wastewater treatment plants have been certified by an authorized GIS test station in Brno and have a certificate from the German Institute of Building Technology. Sand filter. This is the main difference from other biological treatment plants on the markets of Ukraine, Europe, and the CIS. European and Ukrainian patents protect the design and technology of automatic sand filter cleaning. The presence of a sand filter in the technological process of purification is a tertiary stage of purification which allows achieving a real 98% of wastewater treatment. Advantages of Topas automatic treatment plants are: the electronic blocks controls the station productivity, full automation. The presence of a regenerated sand filter increases the degree of cleaning up to 98%. Operations without effluence of term of 3 months. Long service life of the station at least 50 years. It is safe for environment. The rejection of the track of sewage removal. Compactness takes up a minimum space on your site. Installation in any type of soil. No odor. Low noise level. Easy installation. Sealed waterproof body. Stable operation at low temperatures. Low operating cost and easy operation. Use of purified water for irrigation as well as other technical purposes. Care and maintenance of WWTP. The care, cleaning and maintenance of WWTP is maximally simplified. Under ordinary wastewater, WWTP doesn't require any adjustment and it works in automatic mode, depending on the actual amount of wastewater. The control block signals all possible malfunctions. Wastewater treatment plant Flexity block. We can install station on municipal wastewater of a separate and single sewer network, and an industrial wastewater of a similar nature, which we treat biologically. We usually offer station of this type for volumes from 500 to 5,000 conventional inhabitants, and the upper limit is unlimited. The Flexity block system guarantees high quality of water at the exit, nitrification, denitrification, and partial biological removal of phosphorus. The control block enables remote data transmission with full remote control. From a construction point of view, the station contains a roof per treatment, 2 reactors, 2 ventilated waste tanks, and equipment of thickening waste. All tanks are rectangular and combined into one construction site. The station in this case will have the form and character of an agricultural structure. The Flexity block system is ideal for the intensification and reconstruction of existing treatment facilities, because we can install this technology in tanks of many shapes if they have sufficient volumes.